Are you a product manager looking to land your dream job? Do you want to create a resume that grabs the attention of potential employers and showcases your skills and experience? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we will share some tips and strategies to help you create a robust product manager resume. A potential employer sees your resume first, and it's essential to stand out and make a solid first impression. In this video, we'll share expert advice on crafting a compelling summary statement, highlighting your work experience and achievements, and showcasing your relevant skills and qualifications. Plus, we'll show you how to customize your resume to the specific job you're applying for, making it even more impactful. So whether you're a seasoned product manager or just starting in your career, this video is for you. Get ready to learn how to create a product manager resume that showcases your strengths and lands you your dream job. Let's dive in. Step A. Begin with a header with your name, email, phone number, and location. You may also include a LinkedIn profile or personal website if relevant. When creating a header for your product manager resume, it's essential to have the following information. 1. Your name. This should be the most significant text on your resume and be centered at the page's top. You want your name to stand out and be easily recognizable to the person reviewing your resume. 2. Your contact information will include your email address, phone number, and location. You may also have your LinkedIn profile or personal website if they relate to your experience or the job you are applying for. 3. A professional email address. Ensure your email address is professional and appropriate for a job search. Avoid using email addresses that are too casual or have inappropriate language. 4. Your location. Include your city and state or country so the employer knows where you are. If you're willing to relocate for the job, mention that in your summary or objective statement. In addition to these items, consider using a professional font and design for your header. This design can help make your resume look polished and well-crafted. Consider using a larger font size for your name and a smaller one for your contact information. The header is the first thing an employer will see when reviewing your resume, so you want to ensure it is clear, concise, and professional. Step B. Write a summary or objective statement that describes your experience as a product manager and what you bring to the table. Make it compelling and tailored to the job you are applying for. When it comes to writing a summary or objective statement for your product manager resume, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Tailor it to the job. Your summary or objective statement should be customized to the job you're applying for. Use keywords from the job description and highlight your experience and skills that are most relevant to the position. 2. Keep it concise. Your summary or objective statement should be brief, ideally no more than 3 or 4 sentences. This section presents an opportunity to grab the employer's attention and make them want to read more, so you want to be clear and concise. 3. Highlight your strengths. This is your chance to showcase what you bring to the table as a product manager. Focus on your experience, skills, and achievements that make you stand out as a candidate. 4. Be compelling. Your summary or objective statement should be written to make the employer want to learn more about you. Use strong language and highlight what sets you apart from other candidates. Here's an example of a summary statement for a product manager's resume. Experienced product manager with a proven track record of launching successful products from ideation to market. Skilled in market research, user experience, and cross-functional team management. Passionate about using data and customer insights to drive product strategy and deliver innovative solutions to customers. Overall, your summary or objective statement should be a strong and compelling introduction to your product management experience and skills, and should be customized to the job you're applying for. Step C. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. First, include the job title, company name, location, and employment dates for each job. Then, have 3 to 5 bullet points that describe your responsibilities and achievements in that role. Focus on accomplishments and quantifiable results where possible. When listing your work experience on a product manager resume, highlighting your responsibilities and achievements is critical. Here are some tips for making this section as strong as possible. 1. Focus on achievements. Employers want to see what you have accomplished in your previous roles, not just a list of your responsibilities. Use bullet points to describe specific accomplishments you're proud of, and try to quantify your impact where possible. For example, instead of saying, manage the launch of a new product, you can say, manage the successful launch of a new product that generated $XYZ in revenue in its first year. 2. Emphasize relevant experience. Tailor your work experience section to the job you're applying for. Highlight experiences and achievements most relevant to the product manager position you're applying for. This will help demonstrate your fit for the position and make it easier for the employer to see how your experience can translate to their organization. 3. Be specific. Don't be vague when describing your responsibilities or achievements. Use specific examples to show what you did and how it made a difference. For example, instead of saying, managed a team of developers, you can say, managed a team of 10 developers and increased productivity by 20% by implementing agile methodologies. 4. Use action verbs. Use strong verbs to start your bullet points and make your achievements more impactful. Verbs like launched, developed, managed, and increased are good examples. 5. Keep it concise. While it's essential to be specific, you also want to keep your bullet points brief and easy to read. Aim for 3 to 5 bullet points per job, and keep them focused on the most important accomplishments and responsibilities. By following these tips, you can create a work experience section that showcases your accomplishments and highlights your fit for the product manager role you're applying for. Step D. Highlight your skills and qualifications relevant to the product manager role. This may include skills like project management, data analysis, market research, and leadership. Consider listing your skills as bullet points or incorporating them into your work experience descriptions. Here are some tips for making this section stand out. 1. Use keywords. Use relevant keywords that align with the job description and the company's needs. This will help your resume pass through any automated scanning systems and show the employer that you have the skills they are looking for. 2. Focus on hard skills. Highlight the specific hard skills you possess that make you an excellent fit for the product manager role. Hard skills are clear and teachable abilities, such as data analysis, product development, project management, or agile methodology. 3. Emphasize soft skills. While hard skills are essential, remember to highlight your soft skills as well. These are your interpersonal skills, such as leadership, communication, problem-solving, and teamwork. They are essential for the product manager role and can help demonstrate that you are well-rounded and can work well with others. 4. Use bullet points. Organize your skills and qualifications using bullet points. This makes it easy for the employer to quickly scan and identify your critical skills. 5. Tailor your skills to the job. Customize your skills and qualifications to match the job description and the company's needs. This shows the employer that you have researched and understand their requirements. 6. Use examples. Use specific examples to demonstrate your skills and qualifications. For instance, if you are highlighting your experience with data analysis, provide an example of how you used data analysis to make a decision or achieve a specific goal. By highlighting your relevant skills and qualifications, you can demonstrate that you have the necessary abilities to excel in the product manager role. In addition, customizing this section to the job you're applying for and providing specific examples will make your resume stand out from the competition. Step E. Include your education information, including the degree, institution, and graduation date. If you have additional certifications or training relevant to the product manager role, include them. Here are some tips for making this section stand out. 1. List your degree. Start by listing your highest level of education. Include the type of degree, for example, bachelor's, master's, etc., the institution's name, and the graduation date. 2. Include relevant coursework. If you have completed relevant coursework that applies to the product manager role you're applying for, include it on your resume. This can help demonstrate that you have the knowledge and skills for the job. 3. Highlight honors and awards. Include them on your resume if you graduated with honors or received any academic awards. This can set you apart from other candidates and demonstrate your dedication to your field of study. 4. List certifications or training. If you have received any relevant certifications or completed training programs related to the product manager role, include them on your resume. This demonstrates your dedication to your profession and your commitment to continuous learning. 5. Keep it brief. Your education section should be concise and to the point. Unless you're a recent graduate or your degree is directly relevant to the job, you can go into a manageable amount of detail. 6. Customize to the job. Like other sections of your resume, you can customize your education information to the job you're applying for. Highlight the coursework, certifications, or training most relevant to the role. Overall, including your education information on your product manager resume can help demonstrate your qualifications and dedication to your profession. By following these tips, you can make this section stand out and showcase your strengths as a candidate. Step F. Consider adding a section for relevant achievements, such as awards or recognition. A section of your resume for relevant achievements is an excellent way to showcase your strengths and accomplishments as a product manager. This can set you apart from other applicants and demonstrate your dedication to the field. Here are some tips for making this section stand out. 1. Customize it to the job. As with the rest of your resume, it's important to tailor your achievements section to the job you're applying for. Highlight the most relevant achievements and demonstrate your fit for the position. 2. Focus on quantifiable results. Employers want to see specific and measurable achievements. If you can provide specific numbers or data points to demonstrate your success, this can be incredibly impactful. For example, you could mention that you increased sales by 20%, reduced product development time by 30%, or improved customer satisfaction by 25%. 3. Use bullet points. Organize your achievements section using bullet points. This makes it easy for the employer to read and identify your key accomplishments. 4. Highlight awards and recognition. If you have received any awards for your work as a product manager, include them in this section. This can set you apart from other candidates and demonstrate your dedication to your profession. 5. Focus on recent accomplishments. Your achievements section should focus on your most recent accomplishments, ideally within the past 5 to 10 years. This demonstrates that you have a track record of success and are continually improving in your role. 6. Emphasize leadership. As a product manager, leadership is an essential skill. If you have any accomplishments that demonstrate your leadership ability, include them in this section. For example, you could mention that you led a cross-functional team to deliver a successful product launch, or that you mentored a junior product manager to help them succeed in their role. Overall, including a section for relevant achievements is an excellent way to showcase your strengths and accomplishments as a product manager. Step G. Review your resume carefully for typos, errors, and consistency in formatting. Consider having a friend or mentor review your resume as well. This step ensures that your resume is polished and professional. Here are some tips for making sure your resume is error-free and well-formatted. 1. Proofread your resume carefully. Carefully proofread your resume for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting inconsistencies. Read it out loud to catch any mistakes you may have missed. 2. Use spell checker. Use the spell check feature in your word processing software to catch any spelling errors you may have missed. 3. Check consistency in formatting. Ensure that your resume is consistent throughout, including font type and size, margins, spacing, and bullet points. This can help make your resume look polished and well-crafted. 4. Ensure accurate contact information. Make sure your contact information is accurate and up-to-date. You don't want a potential employer to be unable to contact you because of a typo in your email address or phone number. 5. Get a second opinion. Consider having a friend or mentor review your resume to catch any errors you may have missed. A fresh pair of eyes can often identify mistakes you didn't notice. 6. Save your resume in the appropriate file format. Save your resume in a file format that is commonly used, such as a PDF or Microsoft Word document. This can help ensure that the formatting remains consistent and the employer can open the file. 7. Consider using a professional resume review service. If you need clarification on the quality of your resume, consider using a professional resume review service. These services can provide feedback on the content and formatting of your resume and help you make it as strong as possible. By reviewing your product manager resume for errors and inconsistencies, you can make sure it's polished and professional. This can help set you apart from other candidates and make a strong impression on potential employers. Thank you for watching this video on creating a robust product manager resume. Following the tips outlined in this video, you can create a resume showcasing your experience, skills, and achievements as a product manager. Remember to tailor your resume to the job you're applying for and highlight your most relevant qualifications. By doing so, you can stand out from other candidates and increase your chances of landing an interview. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and tips. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching.